Innovation. Innovation, it's actually the engine of development, not only in the foundry industry, in any industry. And innovation, it's also something which needs to be done fast to have the place in the market when it should be. And from this point of view, HA is, let's say, one of the most important players in the foundry market regarding innovation. We see this not only through our own developments, but we see it also through cooperation with other partners in the foundry industry. Probably you don't know, but HA developed 2 years ago a very special department called Center of Competence. In this Center of Competence we have a foundry in which we can simulate or we can test any kind of process used in the foundry business. This is increasing a lot the speed in which we can bring products in the market. In this Center of Competence we work with partners, and these partners are tool makers, are machine builders, are also foundries. So we see this cooperation very, very important. Another important factor in this big project, it's the collaboration with institutes, with universities, which are really the ones who can look in deep into processes. HA is also very well known worldwide because it's the number one provider of binders and coatings or auxiliary materials for foundry business. And maybe you ask yourself why we are here where we are talking about iron. I will explain you through a metaphor. A mold or a core without liquid metal is like a body without soul. So that's why we are here, because we want to be partners for foundries not only in our main direction of development, but also in the other fields which are connected to foundries. That's why we are here. Alone you can't do innovation in the required times. You always need to work with partners. And this chain of added value in the foundry, but probably not only in the foundry, starts with the universities, with students, and ends with a final casting which goes to the customer. So we are looking to all these different steps by collaborating with universities not only in Germany but worldwide, and also with the producers of machines, be that molding lines or core shooting machines or 3D printing or whatever it's used in the foundry business. So we look to the whole chain and we see the value in each of these parts of this chain.